Good morning, everybody. Today's lesson is going to be about the law of sines. And the law of sines is only to be used in non-right triangles. So here we have something that's definitely a non-right triangle. And I would like to know how long or how big an angle is in this triangle when I know certain facts. So if I know that this side is 12 inches and this side is 22 inches, and I know that this angle measures, let's say 38 degrees, and this angle measures, I don't know. We can figure it out by using the law of sines. And it goes like this. Sine of the angle that's 38 degrees divided by the length of the side that's opposite it equals the sine of a 12 inch, of x degrees over the length of the side is 12 inches. And we don't know what this degree is here, and we're going to figure it out by using ratios. And so we do crisscross, applesauce, and we get sine of an x degree angle times 22 equals the sine of a 38 degree angle times 12. Well, we want to get this part all by itself, so we have to undo multiplication, and we use division to do that. And what we do to one side, we must also do to the other. So we're left with sine of an x degree angle equals sine of a 38 degree angle times 12 divided by 22. And now it's all calculator work. So take out your calculators. And on your calculator, you're going to punch in 38 sine, 38 sine, and you get a ratio of 0.615, 661475, and then multiply that times 12. And you get 7.3879377704, and finally divide by 22 and hit equals. Your final ratio should be 0.33581535. And now, since we're looking for an angle, we use the inverse function key of sine, and so we hit the second button and then press the sine key to go to sine -1. And we find out that angle measures 19.6 degrees. The law of sines to find an angle. Now we can use it to find the length of a side. So let's do another triangle. Non-right, of course. But now I'm going to know both angles. I'm going to be missing a side. So let's say this measures 42 degrees. And this measures, let's say, 58 degrees. I know how long this side measures. It's going to be 20 inches. Find the length of that side. So now we do the same setup. sine 42 degrees over the length of the side opposite it, we don't know, equals sine 58 degrees over the length of the side opposite it, which we do know, and that's 20. And we do the same thing, crisscross applesauce. And we get sine 58 times x equals sine 42 times 20. How do we get x alone? We have to undo multiplication by using division. And we do the same thing to keep everything balanced. And now we have x equals all of that. And that's all calculator work now. Sine 42 times 20 divided by sine 58. Take out your calculators. And it's 42 sine on mine times 20 equals divided by 58 sine equals, and I got 15.78. So x equals 15.8 approximately, rounded. And that makes sense because 42-degree angle is smaller than a 58-degree angle. So the side opposite the 42-degree angle should be smaller than the side opposite the 58-degree angle, according to the Hinge theorem. And that's how we use the law of sines. Please play this as often as you like so that you can understand and become proficient at using the law of sines. Another video will follow to help us learn how to use the law of cosines. There is no law of tangent, so thankfully there's only 2 laws that we need to learn. Alrighty, be well, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you.